we start, I want to acknowledge two things. The first one is that if you hear any weird noises, it's because they're having like a construction in the street right outside my window. So if you hear any weird things, it's because of that. Number two is please ignore the fact that I have my coffee and my cookies right here because it's 8 in the morning and I haven't had any breakfast, so I'm gonna be like picking on it while I record, so please ignore that. But yes, without further ado, let's start with this video. Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm gonna share with you a haul of fall clothes. But the thing is that I'm gonna share with you some tips of how to find clothes that are beautiful but at the same time cheap. So today I'm gonna give you some tips of where to find clothes that are reasonably good quality for an affordable price. I consider myself a very good shopper, and this I think I got it from my mom, and my mom got it from her mom, and so on. So I'm gonna share with you those tips today, so hopefully you can get more clothes with less money as I usually do. So if you want to find out what do I do and how do I do it, just keep watching the video. Okay, so what I did is I separated my clothes according to the store that I bought them on, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of a review or an insight of each of these stores. So just bear with me, I've never done this before, so I hope it's understandable. The first store I'm gonna recommend to you is Walmart. I usually don't buy clothes at Walmart, but sometimes they have good stuff. And sometimes they have stuff that is on sale and that it's good quality. I'm not gonna say it's the best quality. It's mostly very, very cheap quality, but they have some stuff that is good. So last time I went there, I found these leggings and they fitted perfectly. So I bought 3 pairs of different styles. So this is the first one, and it's like graphic. It's like black and it has some yellow details. I also got this animal print one, and I also got a just plain black one. These leggings are so comfortable. They fit perfectly and they are fluffy. They're like a thick material, and they're perfect for the fall and winter season. These leggings, I only paid $7 for each of them, and they were amazing. And that's why I got these leggings. I'm very happy with the quality and the price I paid for them. And yeah, maybe you should check it out and you might find something that is as good as this. The next store is H&M. We already know that H&M is very affordable most of the time, but what I like to do is I like to go to the sale section. Especially when there's like a change of a season, or whenever they get like new arrivals and stuff, they always have like a sale section in one of the corners, and I always like to go there because you can find very, very good deals, and we already know the quality that it's gonna be, and the style is acceptable and everything, but at a very, very low price compared to the regular price they have on the store. So last time I went there, I got this gorgeous sweater that is kind of like oversized, but at the same time it's a crop top. It's kind of like a reddish orange. It's like a knitted. It's so soft and comfortable, and it was only $7. Usually when you go to the sale section in H&M, you're not gonna pay over $10 for any of the items they have. So that's a very good deal. Next things I found were these 2 sweaters. The first one is this yellow one. This like long sleeve, and it's like fitted, and it's like kind of off the shoulders, which I thought it was like different and cute. And I had the same sweater but in a different color, which is blue with white stripes. These are so cute and comfortable, and they look like so sophisticated because of the neckline they have. So I got these 2 sweaters, and I believe I paid around $6 or $7 for each. So again, it was a huge deal. I really recommend you go and check out the sale section in every single store. Okay, next up is Forever 21. As you know, Forever 21 is kind of the same as H&M, but I feel like they have a little bit of a cheaper clothes. Some clothes look very cheap and some look fine. You know, for the price they're asking, they look fine. But I don't know if you know, but Forever 21 just declared themselves in bankruptcy. That means that there's a bunch of stores that are gonna be closing, and in these stores they're like giving away basically everything. So I went to Forever 21 and like all the tops and bottoms were $5, all the outwear was like $10, shoes were like $5 or $3, accessories were $1. So basically they're giving away everything. Like one of the things I got was this sweater, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It's like a little bit oversized, but at the same time it's like a crop. The color is gorgeous, the texture, everything. It was only $5. Also, I found this skirt, which is kind of like a dark orange reddish color. It's like velvety, or I don't know how you call this kind of fabric, but it's like, you know, your typical fall skirt. It's absolutely gorgeous, $5. I got the same, but in like a caramel brown color, and it's absolutely beautiful, $5 as well. I also got these pair of boots that I found on the sale section. It's kind of like a rose gold, and it's kind of like those sock boots, you know. They're so comfortable, and they're like my size and everything. I only paid $3 for them. Can you believe? I couldn't believe it. Like $3 for a pair of shoes? Yes, please, you know. So I really recommend you to go to Forever 21, and they have a list online of all the stores that they are planning on closing. So see if there is one of those near you, because those are the ones that are like giving away stuff for free almost. So go and check them out. One of the things I don't really mind to splurge on a little bit is shoes and bags, because with clothes you can pull it off. You can find something cheap that doesn't look cheap, but with shoes and bags, I feel like if you got it for cheap, it's gonna look cheap, you know, and it's probably not gonna last a while or anything. So I don't mind spending a little bit more money in shoes and bags. So when I was at Forever 21, I knew that I wanted a pair of over-the-knee boots. When I went to Forever 21, I found them. I found this gorgeous black velvety over-the-knee boots, and these ones I got them for regular price, which was $50. But like I told you before, I don't mind spending a little bit more money on my shoes and bags, so I already knew that it was on my budget to spend a little bit more. But even though it's $50 is like a lot compared to all the prices that I told you before, if you go to like Macys or somewhere else, you can pay like over $100 for something like this. So even though it's like a little bit more, it's still cheap. So I got them, and they're so cute and comfortable, and they look gorgeous with like every outfit. So I'm very happy to keep wearing them during this season. The next store that I want to recommend to you is like all the factory prices stores, which are like Marshalls, Ross, TJ Maxx, and all of those, and all the like racks like Nordstrom rack, or the outlets that they have like lower price for like regular brands, you know. So I like going to Marshalls because it's like a chance. You might find something good, you may not. Anyway, last time I went there, I found this gorgeous little bag. As you can see, animal print is very trendy, and you can see it absolutely everywhere. So when I saw this bag, I was like, oh my god, I'm getting it. I've never had a round bag before, and even though it looks tiny, you can fit a lot of stuff in it. I was amazed of how much stuff I could fit in this one. It looks absolutely beautiful. It's so cute, and it looks very pretty with like any outfit. I've worn it so many times, and it was only $20 at Marshalls. Go check them out. Another thing I found at Marshalls was this t-shirt. This is like a thicker fabric, but what I like the most were the colors. I already wore this one, and it looked absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, this one was gorgeous, and it was only like $7, so it's a very good deal. Another thing I found at Marshalls was this dress. This is not so fall weather either, because the fabric is kind of light. But I really think that you can pull it off and really wear it all year round if you choose the right accessories. I already wore this with like black tights and a black jacket on and boots, and it looks super cute, and it was like perfect for the weather. This one is kind of like stripes, and it's kind of like a you know, these loose dresses. It's so comfortable and it looks so pretty on. It has kind of like a taller neck and it looks super pretty. This one was about $12. The next dress I found was similar to the previous one, but this one is a long sleeve. It's the same style. It's kind of like loose, but what I love about it is the colors. It has oranges, reds, blues, gold, black. I wore this with a orange cardigan and it looked absolutely beautiful. This one was a little bit more pricey, but I fell in love as soon as I saw it, so I didn't mind. It was $25. Next gorgeous thing I found at Marshall's was this skirt. These midi skirts are very trendy for this season, and what I liked about it is that even though it's like a black background, it has very colorful flowers. It's like open here on the front, and this one's from Sera. But as you know, Sera is it's an European brand, and it's like a little bit more pricey than your H&M, Forever 21 and stuff. They have very good clothing and very good quality. So this skirt is from Sera originally, but I found it at Marshall's for $7 and I am in love. And the last item I found at Marshall's was this beautiful ivory cardigan. This is like knitted and it has like a cute design that you can see like holes and stuff. This one I got it because the color is so useful. It's very neutral and you can wear it with like everything. So I thought this one will be perfect for this season, and I only paid $12 for it. Okay, so moving on to stores. You already know and you already have a register on your mind that they are a little bit more on the pricey side. That doesn't stop me from getting in there because as well as all the other stores, they do have sales. So one of the places that I already know that is going to be more on the pricey side is Macys, but as I told you before, they have so many sales throughout the year, especially if you buy online. So I was looking for this very specific cardigan in a very specific color, and I looked for it everywhere. The only place where I found it was at Macys. That particular weekend they were having a sale. I don't even remember why. They were having like a 40% sale with like 20% even on top of the 40%. So it was like a super deal on a bunch of stuff. So I found this gorgeous burgundy cardigan and it's like so soft. The silhouette is perfect. It's not too loose or too long. I wanted it to be like a little bit more fitted. It was like exactly what I was looking for and the color was perfect, and I only paid $20 for it and I got it delivered to my door, which was like a great deal. So make sure to check out stores like this, especially online. At least one weekend of the month they have a sale, so make sure to check them out and I'm sure you're gonna find some good deals. Another store that I went to, I already talked to you about it, is Sera. This is an European brand, as I told you before, and they have gorgeous clothes, but they are a little bit more on the pricey side. It's not like super expensive, but it's more pricey than like Forever 21 and H&M, and obviously it's like much better quality. But that didn't stop me from going in there last time I went to the mall because I was looking for a dress for my birthday, which is next Monday. So I went in there and I just was looking around, see if I liked anything. I found this gorgeous dress. It's like velvety, as you can see, super shiny and beautiful. It's in a dusty rose color and it's like a pencil dress, like mid-leg, and it's open in the front. It looks absolutely gorgeous on, and you won't believe it was only $20, and that was regular price. It wasn't even on sale or anything. Regular price, $20. I have the tag right here. So I was really impressed with the quality, the design, the color, the fabric, everything. For only $20, I was sold. And this is a dress that I'm wearing for my birthday, and I'm so excited. So make sure to check brands like this. Sometimes they have regular price items that are like affordable and they're super gorgeous. So make sure to check them out as well. Another store that is more on the pricey side, but they also have sales all over the year, is JCPenney. Sometimes they have sales for I don't know, because it's raining and sales on top of sales on top of sales on top of sales. So last time I went to JCPenney, I was looking for this very peculiar dress for my birthday photo shoot, and I found this gorgeous black dress, and it's so pretty. It's like shiny, it fitted me like a glove. I don't know if you can see, but it's like short on the front and it's got like a tail on the back. It's absolutely gorgeous. The price tag of regular price in this was $120, and I already had it on my mind. I was willing to spend like $200 on a dress. I was going to wear it for my photo shoot and then I was going to return it, you know, because I was probably not going to wear it ever again. This one, regular price $120, but it was sale over sale over sale. I paid $17 for it. I was like, seriously? Like this dress for $17? Probably just the fabric was $17, you know? So I was like, I'm not gonna return it, I'm gonna keep it, and I'm probably gonna find another occasion to wear it. It's like black, it goes with everything, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So yes, I paid $17 for this dress, and I am absolutely amazed. The pictures turned out absolutely gorgeous. If you want to see them, I'm gonna leave you the Instagram handle right here on the screen, so you can see them and you can follow me. Like I told you, Monday is my birthday, so I'm gonna upload them then. So make sure to follow me on my Instagram so you can see how I styled this gorgeous $17 dress. Another store I want to recommend to you is the SW, Designer Shoe Warehouse, which is a store where you can find shoes and bags from designers and like a little bit more quality for a cheaper price. Like I told you before, I like to spend a little bit more money on my shoes and bags, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna splurge and not even look at the price tag. Even though I like to spend more money, I like to find stuff that is good quality but at a reasonable price. So for Designer Shoe Warehouse, you can sign up to their like email list or whatever, and they keep sending you like deals and coupons and stuff like that you can take advantage of whenever you need to buy shoes. So I needed to find a very peculiar pair of shoes, which is this one in this particular color, which is like burgundy plum or something. They are absolutely gorgeous. They're so comfortable, they're so trendy, and you can wear them like winter, fall, summer even. So I had this coupon that they sent me for $10 off. I went online and I bought these shoes. Regular price was like $50. With all the discounts, I ended up paying like $35, and I got them delivered to my door as well. Anyway, that's a tip I'm giving you. All the stores that I mentioned here today, I'm gonna link them down below so you can check them out and see if you find any good deals, if you like it, if you don't like it. But I really hope these tips were useful for you and that you take advantage of them. They have been super useful for me, so I thought that it would be cool to share them with you and maybe you can try for yourself. Please make sure to subscribe before you go, because we're about to hit 12,000 subscribers. I cannot believe it. I'm so grateful for all the people that's here, that's been following me throughout the years, for all your support and love. I really appreciate, and I love you so much. So thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you like it, and share it with your loved ones. And also follow me on my social media that is down below. As always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!